3 weeks in Europe with just a carry-on. Can Cobb and I do it? So you guys have already seen Cobb pack his Tom Tuck T66 bag, but now it's my turn and I have to see if I can fit everything into my Mountain Equipment Co-op 35-liter bag. And not only it's just my stuff, it's also the essentials that both Cobb and I need. So besides what I'm wearing on the airplane, which includes a hat and a jacket, all of this has to go into the bag. So wish me luck. So step 1.5, because I already rolled everything, is to get as much as I can into these packing cubes. It's in one. So that's all my clothes packed up into the cubes, which was actually a lot faster and a lot easier than I thought. So the only thing really left is I have some feminine hygiene products, my 2 makeup bags, some jewelry that I just have to have, our laundry detergent strips, so you can actually wash some of our clothes in a sink, which is perfect, an umbrella, because you never know, and a pair of heels. Now, I do have a small little strap-on bag that I'm gonna be using as my personal bag when we get onto the flight. And Cobb's got like a little tiny bag that he's gonna be bringing with him as his personal bag. So we will have one small extra bag with us. But let's pack up this carry-on and see how much space we have left. All right, so we got some straps in here. Those are, I'm probably not even gonna be taking, this is my Ray-Ban Metas. I'm not probably gonna be packing these in my carry-on. I usually pack this in my personal bag, but I will throw my makeup in here for safekeeping. It's got a little pouch here, so this is actually where I'm going to keep my heels. And let's shove that umbrella in there. Actually, you know what? Let's shove the umbrella on the outside just in case it rains on our way there. So I'm gonna pack some feminine hygiene products in there. And yes, there will be some in my personal bag as well, just in case, you never know. And throw our laundry detergent strips in there. I feel like those are gonna be the game changer of this trip. Anything else on that side? No? All right, can I just do this and zip it up? Probably not. So, let's just lock these bad boys in. Now, I do have a relatively good sized pocket in here, but it's not the one I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use the one on the top because it's gonna bulge out a little bit. Oh, this might actually, nope, that's not gonna fit. Shit. Huh. All right, back to the main one. All right, I'm gonna try that a second time because that attempt did not work. So, what happens if I go, you think that way? Yeah? I feel like it might be too bulgy this way, but I feel like that might be too.
I feel like it has to go like this. This thing, I don't know why you keep doing it sideways.
I don't know, it just felt right. Actually, I can just go in the top. I feel like. But you have that one.
Yeah, it doesn't have to go in here.
You forgot the, oh, no, I guess the laundry thing can just go in the top.
There you go.
The top here. This looks way bulgier than I expected it to be. So we're gonna have to take out the measuring tape to make sure this is right. Otherwise, I have to rebag it. This looks more luggage size than it does carry-on size.
I think it may fit better without the cubes.
I think so too. I think we should do it without the cubes.
So try it.
Okay. Okay, so the packing cubes did not work for me. I'm hoping taking all my clothes out of the packing cubes and actually packing them normally is gonna make a difference. So let's try. I did leave my shoes in this one compartment because for some reason I just feel like it makes sense. And I did leave like socks, underwear, and like feminine hygiene products are all gonna be in here. So that I'm actually just gonna leave. Actually, I'll put that one in after. That one's not a big deal. All right. Way better. Way better. So much better.
And then you've also got the side straps.
That tighten it up even more. Yeah, great. That means I can buy things to bring back if I have space. Okay, it's time to check. So we're at about 20. 7.5. And looks about 13.5.
So
We'll say 14.
That's way within specs.
Yeah. And it has everything I need. So.
And room left over.
And room left over because I want to buy some things. So if you'd like to follow along with Cove and I when we do our 3-week trip to Europe with just one carry-on each, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos.